Yes, I'm wearing the same dress for the second time in 1 month. Yeah, shut up, shut up, shut up. And then when nontsikelelo, just because Simdope married his side chick, it doesn't mean you, Bafana, is going to take you as the second wife. I saw it. So don't even. Ah, Bafana, did you see? Shut up. Yani amukela kwinqubo yami bomuntu abakadayali bomuntu abakagogo bomuntu abaka-anti bomuntu abakasisi. I am Sims and it's at Sims Right Reviews on Instagram. So please follow your sister. I also promote businesses and YouTube channels. Tariq Amukhala if you want more traffic on your platforms. Thank you so much, management, for all the gifts that you guys sent me, for the super thanks that you guys bought yesterday. It really means a lot to me. Nyabonga Kulu, okay? Abigail, my love, Paladi. Oh, please go over there and subscribe to her channel. She is a uni student giving us vlogs, lifestyle videos, all things 20s. You make me want to go back to university.
Hi management, my name is Abigail Paladi and I am a uni student as well as an aspiring content creator covering lifestyle, vlogs, chit chat, get rid of me's, unboxing and just figuring life out in your 20s in general. And I would really appreciate it if you guys were to head over to my channel to subscribe, like, comment, just show me some love. Thank you Sims for the platform. I can't wait to see you guys on the other side. Bye management.
On today's video, yes, we saw it. They tried to deny it, but we saw it. Simpiwe Gumede and Tumi have made their undercover relationship official. Okay, the cows, the moo, they woo-wooed there by Tumi's house, and they were denying it. But we saw the pictures of Will You Marry Me? So Usim Dope and Tumi were having a side relationship, Sana, because we all knew that Usim Dope was married to Utseho for the longest time, but we all knew that Usim Dope has been running the streets with Utumi for a long time. Okay, so you know what? With money, you can get away with everything. You can bank at Netbank, Absa, Capitec, and FNB at the same time. No one is gonna fetch you. No one's gonna ask you because why? All the money is all around. That's the nice thing about having money. No one questions you unless you get sick like Musa Mseleko and you don't have money for medical aid and you ask your first wife to pay your lobola. Then now we have to ask you questions on Bosisa Bistem. At this point, we don't even know Uguti is Tembu or Utsihu. We're thinking, Simdope, it's your voice. Okay? It's your voice. These are your frying pans. Whether you want to fry voice here, you want to put Norox, Accent does it. Doesn't like no. Yenzo bonayo. Uhlule. Ah, no. Ah, long ago, ilanga lavele goli. Shaka was a king. Ushaka were king. Shame, disappointment. Ushaka wandiza nebhodo. You, yeah. Mm. Guys. Sinekuku, it's not me. It's your subscribers, ne? It's not me. It's your subscribers. They have all the time in the world. They were zooming. They were researching. They just come to me to tell me that you have put your Cape Town house on Property 24. People said, Sims, go to Property 24 and check that Sinekuku has put her house on the market on the 16th of March. I said, you guys have time. Where did you check this? And they're like, no, we even zoomed the pictures. It's her and her husband on the walls, on the pictures, on the house for sale. The house is going for over 4 million rand. Stunning, gorgeous house. And I don't blame them for putting the house on the market with everything that is happening in Cape Town. Did you guys hear the things that are happening in Cape Town? Cape Town has been overtaken, overtooked. Angie, I know you're a minister of defense, but tourists and digital nomads have taken over Cape Town. People come to Cape Town and then they don't leave. Now people that were born and people that are South African in Cape Town are no longer feeling welcomed in their own province because it's accents upon accents upon accents upon accents. The restaurants have become flavorless. Sana, everything is segregation. Cape Town. But Cape Town was last night when Nelly M got released from Victor Fester. But Cape Town is selling Robben Island. Nalea merry-go-round le. Avian waterfront le merry-go-round le. But Cape Town, it has changed. The prices for rent. You go through interviews for rent. Yeah, if you want to stay in Cape Town, sana ki survival of the fittest, the battle of the. You can't go there with Capitec. You can't. Investec, private banking, so on and so forth. Yeah. So Hena, Barry, your favorite influencer, she's put the house on the market. I don't even think it's in the Ehlebisayo or it's something big or spectacular. I don't know, guys. But like, buye kaya mntama. Buye kaya kukuvele shem. Cape Town, you did your big one. You did your big one in Cape Town. Come back this side. Come back to Johannesburg. We will accept you. There are more influencers for you to get into drama with. Come here. Come terug. No need to be taking flights every 3 to 5 business days to come to Johannesburg. I get you no longer have friends there in Cape Town. Oh, uselino bani? Boy. Buya, Pakistan, Sinmele, Sizon Amgela, Ozan. I know 4 hostels that have inhliziyo nenyama yesibindi nenhloko uzodla kamnandi. My mind is too far. Khona la eDube, eDiepkloof, eNansfield. Hayi, my man, was a. There's nothing left for you in Cape Town. Am I lying? My sister. Come. It's so come, go, don't explain. Come, just come. Until you, Big Nance, and Sitati, and Sistandi are here. And those are your people. They are here in Johannesburg. Come. What is this one? I'd say about the Cape Town for when. What? Also, I know that I'm the one that's giving you the news, views, and deliveries. But why did I not know that Gogo Skoteni has such a stunning pregnancy photo shoot? Also, she was a teacher the other day, and then pregnancy photo shoots. Like no, I know I'm supposed to know, but this time I really don't know. I just thought she and Monde, and then 10 111, and then it's over, and then DJ, and then TikTok, pregnancy. Hayi abantu umuntu makathi indaba zami uzozizwa ngami. Babuka kaTumi because Tumi. Wait, kuningi ngathi ibhayisikila lamandile. No kuningi. But mina why bengazi? Benguphi? Angithanda abantu bami abangangitsheli. And mina mangitha angitsheli muntu. No, I'm not into bonus dates. I'm not buying something neat. Don't come in. Ngiyapreventa mina. Ngibonile ngipreventa nge-SAP. Any alcohol from SAP. Ngipreventa ngayo. So don't come here. Shut up.